Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, let us learn how to create the symbol. Once you are done with the schematic, you have to check and save it. Then go to create, then to cell view, then from cell view. So you do not change any of the names here, you just say apply to it. Then, according to the schematic, you have to give here the pin names. Our top pin is VDD, and our bottom pin is VSS, and our right pin is V out. And the left pin is V in. So we'll give the pin names here, then we'll say apply to it. So once you apply, you'll get this window again. Then we're going to remove this square boxes. So we'll remove it. So if you want to give the name, part name or the symbol name, you can give. So presently I'm going to remove it. So we'll remove these part names. So I'll adjust this V in here. You can adjust according to your conveniences. So now as I'm drawing it for the CMOS inverter, I'll take this straight line, I'll stop here, I'll drag till here and again I'll stop here. Now we'll give the bubble here. To give bubble, we'll take that and we'll just point on it and escape it. So adjust this according to the symbol. Then we'll place here. We also place this VDD by selecting it wholly. You can also keep this here. VSS, and we'll also give this V into this inverter. Yes, can check and save now. So now the symbol is completely ready. This is all about the symbol of the CMOS inverter. Thank you so much.